Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my good friend in the Bahamas on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Hey bud, got you ready to go. We're going to keep your name private because you wanted to slide this thing in there and drop the hammer on them. Let's get right at it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug, just around 25 watts all the way down. We'll roll it all the way up, 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 225 bird, 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello, broke my needle, so let's take the 500 watt slug out. Grab the 1000 watt slug. Hello, 600 watts on the money. All right, my friend, we're going to head this to the big blue waters. Hope you enjoy it. I'm your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.